name is Gene Allen, and I'm going to show FileSure recording file copies to USB drives. What we have here is we have FileSure up and running, and we have a couple of managed machines. In this case, we have W2003-64. This is a 64-bit 2003 machine, and then you can see it's a managed workstation, run 2.5. So we say OK, and we want to point at that machine. There we go. So now we're doing, this is the current file activity for this machine. We have a rule set up that says watch writing to USB drives for all files for any user if they ask for write access or if they ask for file write, and if it's to a removable drive, then we want to record it. Simple enough. So here's a remote desktop of that machine, and our G drive is our Corsair right there. So we're just going to copy a file to our pin drive. A.text, that's a simple file to our, and we're going to use a command prompt, so we're bypassing the Windows shell and everything. Let's see if we pick it up. And we did, and it tells you what time it happened, what user did it, and what he did, and there's the file. So I wrote a file to a pin drive. Now what's going to end up happening is in about 30 minutes, this also went to the local data store on this workstation machine, and then the logs will be pushed up to the server later, and you'll be able to use the report against it or run forensics against it. Now, the reason why we do that is it's sort of a master-slave kind of a relationship. That means that if this workstation is disconnected from the network, it still works. The rules have been pulled down. It already does all this stuff, and it'll continue to try to communicate back and forth between the server and the workstation to push its logs and get new rules. If it can't do it, it just waits for a few minutes, writes an event log entry, and then tries again a little bit later. So, as you can see, we'll do another one just because we like doing things like this. And there it is. File writes.